Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand Eyederm for sending over their Hydra-Gel under eye patches. Now listen, you already know I love their under eye bag cream. This stuff is phenomenal. Absolutely love using this every day. But they offered to send me these under eye patches to try and to kind of start incorporating in my everyday routine. And I've been using them in the mornings. And first I'm going to put them on and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, so I'm going to put these on and let them do their work. I'm going to show you a close-up and tell you all about them. These are the Eyederm Cosmetics Hydrogel under eye patches, and they fit easily into a daily routine. I like using them in the morning when I want quick refresh under the eyes, especially when I'm getting ready for the day. So this is how the packaging comes. They are fragrance-free and retinol-free, and they are suitable for sensitive skins. So when I pick them up, the easiest way I've tried is if you go like this, you're going to get a couple at a time because they're already put in pairs, but I want you to see how slippery they are, and also just take a really close look at how packed they are. So I've let the patches be on my eyes under my eyes for about 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take them off now. It's interesting, you can tell how the moisture that was in the patch has now absorbed into my skin. You can even see it glowing right there. So let me take this one off as well. I definitely like that these are easy to fit into my morning routine. It doesn't take a lot of time. It gives me that added moisture that I want in the Hydrogel patches. I'm going to be using these for probably the next 30 days together and see how much improvement I get in how I feel about my eyes in the morning. So thank you again, Eyederm, for sending these over and allowing me to share them with everyone.